Here we have a Westinghouse bus voltage controller. This is a very old design. We will demonstrate a failure that may not come up in customer tests that we are doing here in the lab. We have our oscilloscope hooked up and we are monitoring a negative 10-volt line. You can see it's clean and it is perfectly stable. However, should the machine vibrate, such as this, we can see the signal becoming unstable. This can be from one of two conditions. One, there may be a loose connection somewhere in this wire-wrapped circuit configuration. Another is that a component has become microphonic. It's highly suspect that one of the older transistors may have become microphonic, which means that vibrations or movement can cause the internal components to the semiconductor to become unstable or move around, which would cause the interference as well. So we will resolve this issue, repair the unit, and get it back to the customer. But this is a demonstration of how vibrations can affect electronics with loose connections. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.